Welcome back to BG News. Today we're diving into the exciting realm where technology and creativity intersect. As artists continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, digital tools have become indispensable for enhancing their craft. Join us as we explore how technology is revolutionizing the creative process for artists worldwide. Let's start by looking at how digital tools are transforming the world of painting. With software like Adobe Photoshop and Procreate, artists can create stunning digital artworks with unparalleled precision and flexibility. From realistic oil paintings to vibrant digital illustrations, the possibilities are endless. Plus, digital painting allows artists to experiment freely without the constraints of traditional mediums. Next up, let's talk about how technology is revolutionizing music composition. With software like Ableton Live and Logic Pro, musicians can compose, arrange, and produce music with ease. From electronic dance tracks to orchestral masterpieces, digital tools provide musicians with a vast array of sounds and effects to explore. Whether you're a solo artist or part of a band, technology has democratized music production like never before. Now let's shift our focus to the world of 3D modeling and animation. With software like Blender and Maya, artists can bring their imagination to life in stunning detail. From character design to architectural visualization, 3D artists are pushing the boundaries of visual storytelling. And with advancements in rendering technology, the line between reality and animation continues to blur. Finally, let's explore how digital tools are reshaping mixed media and collage art. With software like Adobe Creative Suite and Canva, artists can seamlessly combine photos, illustrations, and text to create visually stunning compositions. Whether you're creating a digital collage or a multimedia installation, technology provides endless possibilities for artistic expression. Technology has become an invaluable ally for creatives across all disciplines. From painting and music to 3D animation and collage art, digital tools are revolutionizing the way we create and consume art. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your creative journey, don't be afraid to embrace technology and explore the endless possibilities it offers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to BG News for more videos on technology, creativity, and innovation.